Packet Tracer 5.3.9, backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. Our objectives: save the current running configuration to the startup configuration, to back up the configuration to a TFTP server. This activity starts at 100% completion because it basically just going to teach us how to save the running config and back it up. Packet Tracer activity 5.3.9, backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. I'm going to save the current running configuration to the startup configuration and then back up that configuration to a TFTP server. So the first thing we notice is that our PC, customer PC, is already connected to the router with the console cable. So from the PC, go to desktop, terminal, OK, hit enter. Got to put in our password, and then we have to enable, put in another password. And from here, we do a copy running config, startup config, up config. And it's going to ask us the destination file name. Just leave it as it is. Hit enter. Now we need to check the connectivity. I'm going to ping from the router 192.168.1.10. Success rate is 100%. So now we need to copy startup config TFTP. Oops, got to put a space. TFTP. Put enter. Address or name of remote host 192.168.1.10. Enter, and it's going to ask for the destination file name. Leave it as is. Just hit enter, and it's saved. Now we go to the local server, which is this one here. Go to the config, and then go to TFTP and verify that our configuration is there. So customer router -config. So now we need to erase the configuration file of this one. Erase, startup config, and then it gives a warning and asks if you want to continue. You just hit enter, and then you type in reload, enter, continue with configuration $, a definite no. Hit enter. It is set to just router now. We need to enable config T to the interface FA00 IP address. This is so we can get our stuff back. 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Then do interface S0-0/0. No shutdown. End. Let's ping 192.168.1.10. Let's see what we got. Success rate is 80%, so we're able to talk to it. Now we need to copy TFTP running config, and then we put 192.168.1.10. So the file name, remember what we file it was customer router -config. Enter destination file name. Just hit enter, enter again, and now you can see the name changed from router to customer router. And now we're going to copy the restored configuration to NVRAM. So copy running config, startup config, and then just hit enter. Now we're going to test this. So let's ping 209.165.201.10. Success rate is 100%. So all our configurations are back in place. And that's the end.